Yo, so hey everyone, this is Young256. With me, everything is possible. Today I've got you the best Premium Pro LUTs you're going to use for color grading. You don't need any touches, trust me, there are very many. I've put them in one file down in the description. Please watch the whole video because I'm going to put the password in the video. If you miss any step, trust me, you're going to miss a lot. Let's dive into the video. First of all, let me open. This is the file LUT. It is Young Premium Pro LUTs video grading. This is for Premium Pro, Camtasia, any video editing file. So what you're going to do, I'm going to teach you how to extract them, and I'm going to teach you how to import them in Premium Pro. So you see our Premium Pro is open. Yes, it is open. So let's begin. After downloading the file, you're going to click in that link and download the file. After downloading the file, make sure it comes like this. Sorry. Then we are going to extract it. We extract our file. Let's extract our file. So I put the password. After putting the password, of course it is extracting, and these are our LUTs. These ones, there are very many. Trust me, you're going to get the best of all videos. I compiled them in one, and this is the best. So after, watch the whole video. Make sure you don't miss any step, because I'm going to put the password in the video. So these are our LUTs. What you're going to do, leave this file open of the LUTs. When you leave the file open, make sure you watch the whole video. Come to Windows. This is on Windows 10. On Mac, still you do the same. You're going to go on your Adobe Premium Pro CC19 or any, if you're using 2013, 2014, 2020, 2023, 2024, any. You're going to right click on it and say more options, then open file location. Still you go on your Adobe, then still right click and again open file location. Yes, when you open file location, you're going to look for Jesus, why am I forgetting? So before we go any further, you see it is this PC, Windows, Disk C, Program Files, Adobe Premium Pro. Then you look for Lumetri, this one. When you open Lumetri, you're going to see LUTs. Open LUTs. There's creative, you see. There is legacy. There is technical. So we are going to open the creative ones. These are ours. You open your file. Actually, I found LUTs of this PC, but I put them in one file because I don't need them. I want to use mine. So you're going to copy these files, the one you extracted from my link, copy them, then paste them. Yes, you do this to all, then continue. You paste them. You see they have been pasted. You can still close your file and then refresh. Close Premium Pro. Close your Premium Pro. I hope I'm not going so fast. The password is going to be in the video. Make sure you watch the whole video, don't miss any step. Then open Premium Pro so that the effects takes place. So we're opening Premium Pro. Let me open. You can open a new file, but personally I had so this is our file. Go to colors. If you don't have colors, come to Windows and then look for colors. Lumetric color, tick it. But personally I have colors. Click the video you want to color grade, then you come here. This is where you have to come. You see, there is, after clicking colors, this is going to appear. If you've not clicked the video, it won't show, so click in the video. Then you see this is creative. You see creative curves, then we go to creative, then we lock. Are you seeing lock? These are our colors. Hope you see them. I have sunset. There are very many. Trust me, you're going to get the best for your videos. Let's begin with Urban Glow. You see, they are looking so nice. They are looking so dope. They'll match any video. You see? Okay. Okay, so the password is down below. Hope you see it. It's down there. You see, these are the best colors I've set for you guys. You can still adjust them if you feel like they're not enough, but trust me, I've gave you the best for the whole videos. You see, you can still adjust them, sharpen, do anything. You see, this video is looking so dope. Wow, I like it. So that is it. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for following us and for liking. Still subscribe and share so that we give you more videos like this. Trust me, we are going to give you the best. Young 256, I sign out.